Hello and welcome to Gaiachi's Spiritual Awakening. This is episode 4 and I'm Leeann. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos that are coming up and some lives in the future. So I thought today I would like to touch on some of the energies that are coming into the planet, because this week it's been very sunny and there has been lots of high energy coming from the sun. So people might have noticed that they've had headaches, jaw pain, teeth pain, a lot of pressure build up around the body. So I just wanted to let you know you're not going around the bend. There's nothing wrong. It's just all the high energies that are flooding this beautiful planet at this moment in time. So just remember to ground yourselves, drink lots and lots of water, and touch in with yourself every now and again, asking your body what it needs, how you can help your body, because you're unique and it's your journey and the codes will be for you. So always hand on heart and just go, what does my body need? It will let you know what you need food wise, if you need time out. So tune in with it. It's really, really important for our own self journey forward. So make sure you do tap in and enjoy the beautiful weather, but also be really mindful of all the codes that are coming in and how they will integrate into our body. And it does take time. I also want to touch on this week, I've heard a lot of things about light language and stuff and about low energy vibration. So I want to touch base with everyone just to let you know that low energy can come in on anything and everything. Doesn't matter what you're doing, but it's all about how you work and your intentions. Now, you could be doing a healing session for someone, you could be doing a reading for someone, you could be doing a yoga practice, absolutely anything that's spiritual or unspiritual. If you're not in a good place when you're doing this practice, you've got low energy within your body. So this is going to transfer onto the person that you're working with. Now, this I hold very dear to my heart. I've made sure that I've done a lot of work on myself inside and out before I work on other people. Now, when you work from your heart space in pure unconditional love, you have married up. We're all low and dark energy. So you've learnt to balance it. You've done all your inside work. So you're ready to go out and work on people and be your highest self. Now, if you're having a day where you're on what I call my blippy days, as people who know me that have worked with me, I won't do stuff on those days because I'm not fully in my heart space, because I've got other things going on around me. So I'll have a self day or a self center and work on me, release all around me so that I'm my pure channel of pure unconditional love, ready to help the world. So it's really important when people tell you that light language is negative, it's the person that's giving you the treatment, whether it be light language, healing, readings, etc. It's what they've got inside is what's being portrayed. So if you'll have a good feeling for someone. And if you feel good about someone or you're drawn to someone, that person's meant for you. And whatever you do, always do that. Put your hand on your heart and ask, does this feel right for me? Because what's right for one person is not right for another. So it's really, really important that you pay attention to you and what you want. Don't forget, people can feel right for you at one moment in time because that's where your journey is. 2 weeks later, that might not feel right for you. It's about you being true to yourself and what's right for you. And don't ever feel bad that you're on this journey and 1 minute something doesn't feel right for you. Speak your truth, hand on your heart, and be truthful for you, because no other person is going to walk in your footsteps on this journey. We walk side by side, people. We shouldn't walk in front of them and we shouldn't walk behind them. We should walk united side by side. And that means speaking your truth. Okay, really, really important. This, more than anything at the times that we're in, is about being truthful to you. Because if it doesn't work for you, you're not going to be at your best. So people will come and go, and that is perfectly okay, because as you change and as your vibration grows, people fall away from you. People will rise to your vibration or they won't, and that is perfectly okay. Some people you can bring up with you along the way. Some people will fall off until they're ready. It's no judgment on anyone, because this is your unique journey and we're all on it. So remember, heartfelt, know what's right for you. Use your voice, link your heart and your throat, and speak your truth. And know that if that vibration's not right for you, then don't do it. Don't go and have a treatment done with someone unless you feel it's right for you. Just because somebody else has said it's right for them, it has to be right for you. Take care, have a beautiful, blessed day, and remember, touch in with yourselves to know what feels right for you. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. And if I can help in any way, please let me know. Take care, much love. Bye.